All right, guys. Another nighttime vlog. Hopefully you guys can hear me. Got my DJI mic mini right on my t-shirt here. Testing it out this time not on my small rig, on my t-shirt, so hopefully it feels good. Sounds good. Ulanzi nighttime LED light. Osmo Action 5, 1080p, 60 frames. Horizon balance, rock steady. So, I kind of like these nighttime vlogs. Funny thing, it's very late at night, and again, nobody's really around. I could pretty much whisper because of the DJI mic, and I get a chance to vlog. So tonight, well, today was a busy day in my life, so I had to figure a way again to try to upload a video. So I decided to go out late again while everybody's asleep. My family's asleep. Work is done. I had a full day today. I didn't think I would have time to actually come out here and make a video, upload a video, or make a vlog. So I decided to just pick up the Osmo Action 5 and go out and start vlogging again. So I'm gonna do whatever it takes to be consistent on my channel. I'm almost back on YouTube for 6 months. Started out the beginning of the year, January, and for a couple of years I was stagnant and didn't create a video. I created maybe one video, and in January I decided to get back on and start creating it on this channel. And again, how's it sound? Very dark. Very dark. I gotta light my way, turn it around. Very dark, but I decided to just get on here, and I said, how can I be consistent? You know, I was actually at my mechanic earlier this week because I had a problem with my air conditioner, and it was hot here in the Northeast. We had like a 98 degrees. And as I'm getting my compressor fixed, my air conditioner fixed, the mechanic was saying, well, what do you want to do? You want to get a new compressor? You want to just recharge? And I said, whatever it takes. Whatever it takes to get this thing to blow cool air again. Whatever it takes. And that's how I feel with my channel now, and since almost 6 months. So I don't know if you guys can hear that plane overhead, but let me know in the comments if you hear it. Again, mic mini. Hopefully you don't hear it too much, but I said to myself, I want to be consistent. And how can I be consistent? So if I have to do whatever it takes, go out late and be consistent, then that's what I'm going to do. And if I turn the camera, it's because it's so dark, I got to use the LED to see. But I will do whatever it takes to create, get out here and create. And that's what my mechanic made me think, you know what? I'm gonna go out tonight. I got, a little time before I go to bed. Go out, create, be consistent, try to get a video every week. Be consistent. And that's it. I mean, and that's what I'm trying to tell everybody out there. I know that this is becoming a kind of a community of vloggers, and I'm starting to engage with new channels. People with 500 subscribers, less than 1,000 subscribers, 200 subscribers. And I just want to tell them to, well, I want to show them to just go out there and do whatever you can, whatever it takes to produce a video to upload on YouTube. I don't even know how much quality is here when I do these vlogs, but I think that they're fun to do, they're quick to do, they're authentic, and I think they can motivate young, new channels to produce content. And I think I'm going to be planning a video updating my stats since I've returned this year to YouTube. And maybe in the next couple of weeks, I'll go over some of the analytics, which may not motivate everybody because it's not that great when you're a young channel, or when you come back after a while and you could think you could just capture views and watch time hours. It's kind of difficult, but I'm gonna do a 6-month video of my analytics and show everyone out there that even this quality content creator like me doesn't have great numbers. But so you guys let me know in the comments below. First of all, what do you think again of the nighttime vlogs? This time I put the Ulanzi LED a shade higher on the second leg because my last video was kind of dark. And again, this is a work in progress. So I'm kind of testing out whether or not these nighttime videos look good. And I know they sound good. The DJI Mic Mini sounds great. At least when I edit it, it sounds good. But I want to use the LED light as opposed to night mode. Because, you get the 10-bit. And, I want as much quality as I can get because I'm shooting at 1080. So I've been testing out the Ulanzi. And so this is the second level. And the video might be dark, but should be better than last week's video. We'll see how that is. And again, that's really it. And what else can I say? I mean, the only problem with nighttime vlogging is maybe that you can't really show the surroundings, which is good and bad because, sometimes, people don't want their cars in the video, or you get worried about whether a building, a company building, or a house that, someone they may not want in the video. So these nighttime vlogs kind of wash that away because the spotlight's really on me. And, that's the great thing. It's sort of kind of making a bokeh effect because it's dark behind me. And now I'm going to turn around this way, head back. And so, and what's great about the night, I tell you, I think if I get some more positive comments below about this, I think I'm going to continue the nighttime vlogging because I God, it's so quiet. Nobody around. And I mean, I really could do this all night. And, I'm kind of whispering and I shouldn't because the DJI mic should be actually resonating my voice pretty good. But let's see. I mean, a lot of times with the Action 5, people want to see the colors and they want to see the So you're not going to get that obviously with the nighttime vlogs. But what you can get is information kind of from, from me vlogging, or maybe you could get more of a relaxed type of atmosphere because, again, nobody's out here. And I could even sit down somewhere and nobody's gonna even spot me. Which this is a very good test for this, and hopefully I think this is the way I want the light to be. And I'm going to continue. So guys, please let me know if you guys like these nighttime vlogs. I mean, I like it. I'm probably still going to keep doing them. And let me know how the sound is, and comment below, and let me know if you're struggling to make content out there, and if you're doing whatever it takes to make content. All right, guys? And on that note, I'm going to call it a night. I'll see you in the next one.